boys, today I'm going to show you an awesome project that's all done by Chloe. And I'm going to talk about it to you until I'm done. So here's the view of the project. I hope you like it. It's made by light and thick clay. The thick clay is supposed to be Play-Doh and the light clay is air dry clay. I've made the flowers using normal air dry clay and even this big tree that you can see. And the ladybug and stuff is made by normal Play-Doh. This is damn easy to make. You just need to watch any stuff. This stuff is actually damn easy. Again, I'm repeating. And I made the snail using rounds and adding the spit, and I'm gonna add this, and I'm gonna add all this little bits and bits and bits and bits. All these bits and bits and bits and bits. And I have so many bits in this. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make some stuff out of Play-Doh. Like a snail. So I made this snail and then start the video again. So here's the first part of the snail. I don't think it's turned out as good because I used the Play-Doh clay on it, but I tried my best. I'm gonna make the second part of the snail and show it. So guys, it's really kind of pretty cute. I love how it lights up, and I love it so much. But it's like one of the favorite stuff I made yet. And I'm not so good at making Play-Doh stuff, but yeah. I'm so proud of myself. Well guys, now I even made a caterpillar before I played the video again. And I think this is damn easy. For just one thread, I think all you people know how to make this caterpillar. But if you see the caterpillar in the video of the project, you must be knowing that we made it smaller at the back and bigger at the head. So this much was the size the smaller batch will go. It should be much more bigger when you make it that. But you're not making the big one, just not this much. You're gonna need it this much. You're gonna make it this much or this much. It's up to you guys how big your caterpillar is gonna be if you're even making this. Next, the flower. Oh, the flower. So I didn't show you the easy flower because if you guys must have seen these sort of flowers in the video, you must have noticed that you thought these were a little hard. Or if you've even seen, there's another variety of flower. Like the ones in the heart-shaped one that I made. Well, I can show you how to make that. There's a really easy trick to make this petals. You must be using all those hard internet stuff, but I have got the easy trick. So you make two normal petals and just stick it up like this. That's the wrong side. And the other petals are normal petals. The upper side is small and the downer side is big. And let me just tell you one interesting fact about Play-Doh flowers. If you must have seen, some flowers obviously have brown inside because you can use yellow inside it. And the pink one, I just added a little red dot in it. And this flower is another type of the flower that's used by circles and added this thing in the middle and the back. And then the snails, we all just covered that up. You can even need to add those antennas at the top. I didn't add that because I didn't have enough clay. I just used this much clay. And then the ladybug, you would always want a thicker back as a ladybug. And even a smaller one here. And that has the V shape, like a curve shape. And it has this shape of the bigger teeth and more shape. Yup. And the caterpillars, and there's so much in the insect world. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and the end.